Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit of a downer, even though I don't really want it to feel that way, but let's be honest, I do have a few items that I just have not been loving this month. I have two specific items that I just, we'll get into that in a second, but just so you guys know, I do have two foundations, a highlight eyeshadow palette, and also a bronzer. The first item I'll talk about is this bronzer and highlight palette from Pure. This came in my May BoxyCharm. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will link it somewhere on the screen or I'll put it in the description box below. This I just wasn't happy with. The two bronzer shades, they look really dark in the pan. They're actually not that dark when you put them on the skin. The problem that I find with these is that they are just very muddy, for me at least. If you watch the BoxyCharm video, you'll kind of see that I was applying it like crazy. I couldn't see it on the skin, and then finally when it decided to show up, I kind of looked like I had been punched in the face. The same story with the highlights. They are very pretty when you first swatch them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these two fingers here is this one called Originator. This one up here, which is on this finger, is Trailblazer. They're very pretty when you first watch them, but when you put them on the skin, they look chalky and they bring up my texture quite a lot, so I just wasn't loving these at all. Also the same thing with the bronzer shades. When you first put them on, you just don't see them on the skin. You have to build it up quite a lot, and then by the time that you do see the product, it's just really ugly on the skin. I don't like it. I don't know if it's just me. If you guys also got this in the BoxyCharm from May, please let me know if it worked for you. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. I have tried other things from Pure, so it's not the brand. I know they have really great products. It's just this one did not work for me, so it's a shame though. I also got this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the May BoxyCharm as well, I think. I didn't like this either. This is, again, a liquid highlight, and it's really pretty. Like, the actual color is very pretty. The problem with this one is that it dries super quick, and wherever you set it, that's where it's gonna go. Can you guys see? It's super light, and I don't think my camera is focused anyways. But anyways, wherever you set it, that's it. There's no blending, there's no making it look nice. I also tried it as an eyeshadow, and it just doesn't work for me. You have to work super quick, and then just like the other one, it shows up very, I don't know, chalky is not the right word, but it just doesn't show up nicely on the skin. I also think that this shade is way too dark for me. I'm horrible at swatching things, so I do apologize for that. I don't know, it's like, see, it's already dry. I feel like you just have to work super quick. The next item I want to discuss is something that I was really disappointed with because I was so looking forward to it. But it's this eyelight it's called Eyelights from BH Cosmetics. And this I purchased with their festival palette. I purchased a brush set, and some eyelashes and a couple of other things. This is so beautiful, and they have a few of them. I wanted to try only one because I think these are $7 each. So I wanted to try them before I purchased all the other ones. And this is beautiful, okay? Beautiful when you swatch it with the little wand. The problem that I was having with it is that when I put it on my eyelid, it is not as pigmented as you want. So you have to kind of go in and try to go a second time. And when you do that, it takes the product away. So you have to kind of like dab it in, and it becomes messy, and I don't like it because of all the trouble that it gives, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it should be super simple. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like when you first swipe it, it looks beautiful, but if you have to go back in, like, it just keeps taking the product away. Can you guys see? Like right here, it's just taking it all away, you know? So it's really beautiful. It just doesn't work. Anyways, the next product I'm including in this video because, again, it's a disappointing products video. This is not to say that these products don't work for other people. They just didn't work for me. and they feel really bad because it's also from the brand BH Cosmetics, and I love all of their other products, but this is the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. I found this at Ulta. The only problem that I have with this is that I can't get them to blend. So I've tried a few shades. I've tried the darker shades like the reds and the purples, and even this black down here. They blend really nicely. There's no fallout. They're amazing quality. They're really, really great. All these shadows in the middle, the yellows, the greens, the blues, I cannot get these to work. They don't blend. They're very patchy. Wherever I set them, that's where they stay. I don't know, again, if it's maybe just me. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the description box or in the comments below. If you guys have had the same experience, also let me know. Again, it's not all the shadows, so I don't know what the issue is. But like this, let me see, which one is it? I think it was like this yellow shade up here that I tried using because I wanted to do like a yellow greenish kind of eye, and I couldn't get it to work. It was horrible. If you guys want me to do I guess a review or like a not even a first impression, but like if you want me to test this out on camera, let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. Next two products are also from the same brand. They're also two foundations. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I'm kind of doing this mini series on Instagram where I try out high-end foundations and drugstore foundations. And I have a little poll, like I show you guys at the beginning of the day when I first put it on, and then I show you at the end of the day how the foundation wore, and I'll put a little poll and you guys get to guess whether you think it's a drugstore foundation or a high-end foundation. I am talking about the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and Naked Skin. So first of all, each of these is $42 or $45. I'm not quite sure. I got them at Ulta. The girl at Ulta was amazing. She matched me, which was awesome. I have oily skin, so I thought that these were going to be a good option for me. I've also tried the NARS, I forget what the name of the foundation is, but it was a matte foundation from NARS. That was also horrible. So I don't know if maybe I think I have oily skin, but I really don't, or what the case may be, but I'm definitely very oily at the end of the day. So anyways, I decided to try this one. It was the first one that I bought. All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. I will insert some pictures in the video if I can find them of how this wore on my skin. But basically around my forehead, which is my most oily portion of my face, it wore wonderful. It didn't break, it didn't crack. It was really, really nice. Around this area here, I looked like the Sahara Desert. It was just so gross. It was settling into my smile lines. It was folds around my nose area. Dry and cracky all around my chin. It was just a disaster. So then I got a suggestion to try the Naked Skin because apparently it's a lightweight foundation. It's demi matte, so it's not as drying as this one, and it says weightless ultra definition liquid makeup. Same result, same exact result, if not worse. With this one, at least I could tell I had coverage. It was just breaking and cracking. With this one, it rubbed off like entirely, like, you know, you touch your chin and it just comes off. So, but I will tell you guys, with this one, both times I used it, and the first time I used this one, I did moisturize with both of them. But the one thing that I did was I set them with powder. Now, I normally have to do that, and I just kind of mindlessly set them anyways without realizing that these are matte foundations, so I figured maybe that's what made them so dry. So I tried this one out today, and I moisturized last night, I moisturized this morning, I primed, I did everything I could, and this still looked terrible on my skin. So I don't know, I know that a lot of people love them. I don't know, I feel like they should work, and it's just a shame that they don't. Also, for the price, I don't know, I can't I just can't understand it. So again, let me know if you guys have had the same result. If you have any suggestions, maybe I need to like go get a facial every time I have to use this. I don't know, but just let me know if you have any suggestions on how I should be using this, or if you've had the same result. I hate that I hate them because I don't know, like I had really high expectations. I really wanted this to work. So anyways, that's it. I'm sorry that this was such a negative video, but I just wanted to share with you guys the things that I tried this month that it didn't work out. I have a couple of other video ideas, so you guys stick around if you want to see more of me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions for these items. And if you stuck until the end, I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.